Good morning. We got the Blackstone fired up. We have potatoes, just a little bit of oil, we laid down, and we used again my garlic pepper grinders to season that bad boy up. Now we're gonna lay down some of the bacon. You can smell that bacon sizzling away. So we're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes and we'll be right back. Oh yeah, these are crisping up nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. There you have it, guys. Sunny side up on the Blackstone. How is it?
Delicious. Bacon's perfect. Potatoes are crunchy on the outside, nice in the middle. Delicious. Very good.
All right, we're gonna dig in and go for a hike. Got me a walking stick. All right, so we're up and at 'em. Gonna go for a little hike. Maybe we'll take a little hike out around the lake by the dam. I don't think we're gonna go all the way around. We're just gonna go about a quarter of the way out, third of the way out to the rocks, the exciting parts. I think they have a good payoff. About three quarters of the way in, or not 3/4, 1/3 of the way in. You get a decent payoff when you get out to the dam, and that's really all you need.
What is payoff exactly?
What is payoff exactly? Well,
and why do I need to be paid off?
the payoff is you do all this hiking and you got to see something like a waterfall or something. You got to have the payoff at the end. You can't just walk out. I think we'll have an epic view. That'll be our payoff. Climb the rocks and see the whole lake. Eco trek number 1 on our way. This little bay behind us. Tell me about that little bay.
It's fabulous. You can see to the bottom. It's gorgeous, clear, clean water. And it's just fabulous right here.
Yeah, I like that. Heading back. Like this. So it's a nice little trek around Pinecrest. We didn't go all the way around. We just went out towards the dam, sat on the big rock to get the payoff, fly the drone a little bit, and get a few shots. And now we're gonna head back to the camp and get a few more shots.
Happy hour.
Happy hour. So I think one of these days we're gonna come out here, another couple, and get one of these party boats. That'd be awesome. Go out a day on the lake, do some barbecuing and some refreshments and fishing. Kind of fish. Trout. Need to make up some kindling. I think I got what I need. Properly build a fire, you're gonna need some something combustible. We got some paper in here. And then you want to TP, get some kindling, some little pieces here, and TP it. Gotta let the fire breathe. And actually that should work. That should do it. All right, so once you get your TP made up, you can go ahead and light it. Key is giving it a little bit of oxygen. I just lit a little bit of it, blowing on it, giving it a little oxygen. It'll fire right up, catch this little kindling on fire, and it'll go. Okay, so here's the deal. The Blackstone is an awesome unit. It comes with the little 1 pound green canister. I guess I should get that. Alright, so here's the deal. The Blackstone is an awesome unit. Comes with the 1 pound, or actually doesn't come with, but it has the 1 pound propane regulator, and you get these little 1 pound tanks. Screw those on to the side, but they don't last very long. 1, maybe 2 meals, and you're done deal. So you need to bring a couple of those if you're going out. So what we have here is a hose I picked up, and this will change or adapt from your regular 20 pound propane tank. Screw on here and it'll fit onto the regulator. Now a lot of these you'll look online and it's a hose and a regulator, and a lot of people get those mistakenly thinking they need a new regulator, but the regulator that comes with it is a low pressure regulator and it works just fine. So you get it with the adapter that is basically the same as this. You just screw this right on, tighten that up like that, finger tight, add it to your 20 gallon. Today what we're gonna have is spaghetti. So Tam has the idea that I can cook spaghetti on the Blackstone. Well, at least we'll cook up the sauce. Go ahead and get the vegetables. We'll get this thing heated up, and we're gonna get the vegetables, make them happy, throw in some meat, put it all together, have some sauce in a pot over to the side, put it all together, throw in some spaghetti, garlic bread. So let's get this bad boy fired up, and here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get this fired up. start off with a little oil. I'm gonna put the oil over here. And we're gonna throw down the veggies. We got some peppers and tomatoes, and we're just gonna put a pan over here. Take our spaghetti sauce. We'll let that start heating up. Oh yeah. Starting to get happy, starting to get happy. All right, so we're gonna use some of our favorite garlic grinder. Spice it up a little bit. What do we got here? A little cayenne pepper. A little onion powder. Might as well throw our favorite grinder. You know how we like the garlic grinder. I wanted to stir this up a little bit, but I dropped a little spatula. Let's see, it's coming along nicely. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bring in these vegetables. Get over here, little guys. Get over here. We have our we're going to use fresh churned garlic butter. All right, well, I tell you what, this is pretty hard, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get crazy. And I'm just going to put this on the grill. Boom. Throw it out there. All right, so let that toast up a little bit. Check this out. Oh, it's bubbling. Take a look at that. That's pretty much it. So we got the roasted peppers, tomatoes in the sauce. We just went with the Prego. Do a little garlic spread on the buns. I think we're good to go. The buns are nice and toasty. We gotta get them suckers off. So get us a bun. Nice plate. 2 scoops. Bun.
Only one bun.
There you have it.
That's mine.
Little pasta bowl, a little wine.
Cheers to a great time. We love Pinecrest. Thank you for all our bounties. And cheers to you. Have you tried the bread? Very good. Very good bread.
That sauce with them peppers in there and them tomatoes and spices. It's delicious. And the garlic bread. I don't think you could buy a better meal than this. Nice. Cheers. Okay, so we're all packed up, we're all hitched up, everything's good to go. We're getting ready to pull out, and throwing tow mode. Here we go. Kind of a tight spot. So that's the end of this trip. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and ring that little notification bell, and that way you'll be updated every time we post a new video. And until next time, we hope your next adventure is your best adventure. See you on the road.